Hi, this is Steve, KA9MOT, and what we're going to do today is we're going to calibrate HDSDR. You've got your dongle plugged in, you've got the driver loaded correctly, and you've got HDSDR set up to work correctly. We're doing this with a Yaesu FT950, but that won't matter in your application. We're going to start by clicking Options and selecting RF front end plus calibration. That's going to open this box here. Under additional offset per mode in Hertz, we have AM, FM, lower sideband, upper sideband, CW upper, CW lower, digital upper, and digital lower. The best way to do this on AM, you see we're on 0. We're listening to WWV at 10 megahertz. If you look on the screen here, we have this is your spectrum screen. This is your waterfall screen. If you look on the waterfall, you'll see that WWV does not correspond to 10 megahertz, which is right here and is indicated by the red line. The wide blue line is the bandwidth of the signal. We are within the bandwidth of the signal, so we know we are within 6 kilohertz or 3 in each direction. So we know we are within 3 kilohertz. What we need to do is we need to find the frequency center for WWV, which will hover our mouse right over to 7, and we see that it is 9.996.472 hertz. We need to move that line, we need to move this line above this line. To do that, we do that here. And we know it's less than 3 hertz. So what we will do is we're going to go minus, because we're minus 3,000 hertz, or 3 kilohertz. And we're going to click apply. When I click apply, you will see this line move over here in this area. I clicked apply. Now you see how they're very close to matching up, but they're not. It's not really quite on center yet. We're still off just a little bit. So what we want to do is we want to move this line over that way some more. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that to 38. Or excuse me, we're going to change that to. We're going to change that to. Yeah, we're going to change that to 32 and move it up another 200 hertz. 200. Click apply and you'll see it move 200 hertz. It moved. And we're still not there. So we're going to go up another 200 hertz. This is something you have to sneak up on. You can actually do the math, but my math isn't that strong. We clicked apply, we moved it up. You can actually subtract the center, which is at 9.99.479 hertz from 10 hertz, and you'd come up with well, that's all right, I can't do that well in my head, so we're just going to go ahead and sneak up on it. We're going to say 3,400 hertz. Apply. You see, this gets us very, very close, but we're still off just a hair. We are at 9.999.583 hertz. So we need to come up some more. We'll go ahead and come up another 4. We'll go ahead and come up another 400. And we'll tell it to apply. And we're still off just a smidge. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up another. We'll go ahead and jump 400 hertz. Oh, I did my numbers wrong. 800 type of numbers wrong. So we're going to go back up. You'll see it move. You'll see it center up better. They were almost dead on. We are so close that, I mean, it is right smack dab on the money. However, if we on that line, we see we're still off just a hair. We're actually over now instead of under just a hair. It's 7.9. So we're going to take 38 and we're going to subtract 7.9 from 38, which would be 37. 7, 9, 80, 21. We'll click apply. Move back up here. Now we'll be dead on, or close enough for government work. Dead on 10 megahertz. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to do lower sideband. So we're going to switch to 80 meters. Band conditions are horrid. We're not going to be able to do upper sideband tonight. You see I've already got upper sideband in there. Basically it's the same thing. You're just chasing that signal, moving it to the center line of the spectrum here, where you're actually at on the frequency scale. So what we're going to do, we're going to switch to 75 meters. A great little net is on. It's called the Freewheelers net. They're at 3916, which is probably that one right there. Now we're guessing here, but we turn the radio on. By the way, we're listening to the computer speakers. We turn the radio on. So we're going to say that they are there, which is 39.338, 3913.338 megahertz. So what we need to do is we need to come. Again, we need to come up, so we need we're south, we're lower than the center line, so we need to, we're a negative number, and we need to come up. So we're going to come up 1,000 at a time for starters, get close. Now you'll see that line move up, as you did, and we're still not quite there, so we'll come up another 1,000 hertz to 2,000. And we'll apply. Now we're really very close. So we'll find the center of that signal, which is 3915.49. So we'll come up another. Let's come up another 2,000 hertz or 200 hertz. We'll sneak up 100 at a time. That got us really close. And since I already know the number, I'm gonna put it in there. At this point here, this is nitpicking. This is being a perfectionist, and I already know the number. But it's just the way I am. I have to have it perfect. It took me an hour to get this close with it. But we'll see now when the other station comes back that it is dead on frequency. But we'll go ahead and wait for him to come back before we shut the camera off. I cannot show you USB because there are no signals 20 meters and up tonight. Absolutely nothing. As you can tell, the guy in the background is okay, well something changed. I'm no longer right dead on frequency. I'm close enough. I'll mess with it tomorrow. Once you're done, once you're satisfied, click the red X. And shut it off, son.